Move it, boys.
Quickly!
Walk away, quick, guys.
It is a thermochromic ink that reacts to heat. So we hope part of the metaphor of the piece is like the energy of the people, the heat of their bodies together is the one that will be uncovering the image that is underneath. The world is going through a very dangerous moment because people are clinging into their nationalism, which actually is a very reductive way of thinking, a very poor way of thinking. And I think it's ironic that they're doing Brexit in the UK when actually this is a place that has benefit from all the people who are coming all over the world to live here and make this a better place.
Hands up, guys.